Денеска на МТМ ке гледате 19 часот и 30 минути. Утре за денес. Во 22 часот и 15 минути. CSI Miami.
What happened? What the hell? Shot's ruined. Who popped the trunk?
Oh, it wasn't me. Must have been up before he rolled. Talk to Transpo.
Hey, come quick.
What is it?
You gotta see this. Hey, what's going on?
Во 23 часот и 45 минути. Новелата Сладка тајна. Не пропуштајте.